Welcome to the DX Today AI Daily Brief for Sunday, March 15th, 2026. I am your host. Today, we are tracking a flurry of high-stakes talent moves, billion-dollar infrastructure plays, and growing tensions between AI leaders and the military. Let us get to the news.
Robotics researcher and Mistral AI co-founder Devendra Singh Chaplat has departed his previous venture to join xAI. Chaplat will be working directly with Elon Musk to focus on training the Grok model. This move underscores xAI's aggressive strategy to build its technical bench by drawing established talent from competing frontier model developers. The acquisition of a core founder from Europe's most prominent AI startup signals an intensifying competition for specialized talent capable of managing large-scale model training.
Tesla CEO Elon Musk has officially confirmed the timeline for the company's massive hardware initiative, dubbed the Terafab project. Set to launch within the next 7 days, this $25 billion facility is designed to manufacture up to 200 billion AI5 chips annually. The massive scale of this manufacturing push is aimed squarely at supporting Tesla's autonomous driving ambitions, bringing the production of specialized neural processing hardware completely in-house to reduce reliance on external supply chains.
A rift is growing between the Pentagon and Anthropic over military applications of artificial intelligence. Defense officials are reportedly considering severing ties with the AI developer after months of stalled negotiations. The conflict centers on Anthropic's strict adherence to its safety guardrails. The company has refused military requests to lift or modify restrictions on its Claude model for use in classified operations, highlighting the ongoing industry tension between commercial safety standards and national security requirements.
NVIDIA is preparing to unveil a new AI inference processor at its upcoming GTC conference. Interestingly, the new hardware incorporates technology originating from startup Grok. The integration is aimed at significantly reducing latency and speeding up response times for high-volume enterprise clients, notably OpenAI. This development suggests NVIDIA is actively responding to the rising industry demand for faster, more efficient inference processing, moving beyond its traditional dominance in raw model training.
OpenAI is navigating complex internal and external pressures regarding its military contracts. A consumer backlash has gained momentum online under the hashtag #QuitGPT, following reports of the company's classified deployments with the Department of War. Simultaneously, a group of OpenAI employees has filed an amicus brief in support of rival Anthropic. The brief backs Anthropic in a lawsuit challenging the Pentagon's supply chain risk designations, indicating a significant internal divide on the company's direction regarding defense contracting.
Google has launched what it calls its most significant navigation upgrade in a decade. The new feature, branded Ask Maps, integrates the Gemini AI model directly into the Google Maps interface as a conversational assistant. Rather than simple point-to-point routing, users can now pose complex, real-world spatial queries. The system processes these requests to provide highly specific, step-by-step guidance, representing a major shift from traditional map interfaces to context-aware, generative search for physical navigation.
Nebius Group has secured a substantial $2 billion investment directly from NVIDIA. The funding is earmarked to accelerate the expansion of Nebius's so-called NeoCloud AI data centers. As part of this strategic alliance, Nebius will gain early access to NVIDIA's upcoming Vera Rubin chips. The investment highlights NVIDIA's ongoing strategy to fund and build close relationships with emerging cloud providers, ensuring a dedicated ecosystem for its next-generation hardware deployments.
South Korean startup We Robotics has achieved a unique milestone, becoming the sole humanoid robotics firm selected for the prestigious Physical AI Fellowship. Backed by Amazon Web Services and NVIDIA, the fellowship provides significant computational resources and engineering support. We Robotics will utilize these resources to scale the development of its Alex robot platform. The selection positions the company to accelerate its work on general-purpose physical intelligence, leveraging top-tier cloud and simulation tools.
Following a massive 6-week surge in popularity across GitHub and Hacker News, the open-source AI project NanoClaw has finalized a major partnership with Bocker. The deal will integrate NanoClaw's lightweight model deployment capabilities into Docker's widely used containerization ecosystem. This rapid transition from viral community project to enterprise partnership illustrates the accelerated pace of the current AI developer tooling market, where widely adopted open-source solutions are quickly absorbed into standard enterprise workflows.
Advanced Machine Intelligence, a Paris-based startup co-founded by AI pioneer Yann LeCun, has closed a record-breaking seed funding round of just over $1 billion. The massive capital injection will fund the development of what the company calls world models. These specialized architectures are designed to learn directly from and interact with the physical environment, rather than relying solely on text-based training data. The round marks one of the largest early-stage investments in the European AI sector to date.
London-based AI infrastructure hyperscaler Nscale has successfully raised $2 billion in a Series C funding round. The investment, led by Aker and 8090 Industries, pushes the company's valuation to $14.6 billion. The fresh capital will be deployed to expand Nscale's global data center footprint to meet the insatiable demand for compute power. This round further cements the trend of massive capital flowing into the foundational hardware and infrastructure layers of the AI economy.
Reports indicate that Meta is preparing for sweeping workforce reductions across several divisions. The planned layoffs are reportedly a direct response to the company's soaring artificial intelligence infrastructure costs. As Meta continues its aggressive, capital-intensive push to build out data centers and purchase compute hardware for its open-source models, leadership is seeking to offset these immense capital expenditures through corporate restructuring and reduced headcount, highlighting the sheer financial toll of competing in the frontier model race.
That wraps up our coverage for today. Thank you for listening. For DX Today, stay curious.